This is the new Keychron K2HE, a 75% wireless keyboard with magnetic switches. It's compact, stylish, and packed with features. It comes in a few variations, but I love this black version with dark walnut panels. It fits perfectly with my dark cozy setup, and you can even customize these side panels, even add your name. It's versatile too, USB Type-C, Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz wireless. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, Android and iOS. There's RGB lighting with over 22 effects, screw-in stabilizers and 1000 Hz polling rate for gaming precision. The magnetic switches are a game changer. You can customize how far you need to press each key before it registers, all through the Keychron web configurator using only your browser. The switches are smooth, durable and super responsive. If you're interested in this board, you can grab a little discount using my affiliate code MO, and if you want to know how this board sounds, let me know in the comments and I'll do a follow-up video. As always, links in the usual place to learn more.